Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Polkadot, we are trading at the $6.10, 24-hour volume. We are down 9.08% and market cap, we are down 5.04%. I am exhausted of saying how much down we are over all of cryptocurrency today, but let's try to see where Polkadot is. So again, we are seeing a lot of our breaks of our trend lines, especially when we take a look at Polkadot on a daily time frame. So we have closed below our trend line itself, and we are going to anticipate the price is going to continue to go down. We saw that crossover here from the price as soon as it hit that $7 price point of that high. We saw the RSI itself cross below our D line. And at the same time here, you guys, we saw that momentum drastically fall. Like, take a look at that. Normally we see a dark green color and then we start seeing like moderate lighter green colors, but we saw a significant drop from 56 points all the way down to 17 points. So Polkadot was dramatically hit here, especially continuing to come down. We do see the MACD indicator still growing heavily here at negative 0.023 points below 0%. And if you guys are new to the MACD indicator, if I'm just saying numbers out to you, it's just signifying the higher the negative number is, the stronger that momentum is on that side here. So because we see it below zero, we know that the momentum is strong on the bearish side. Anything above that zero and how big that number is, the momentum is going to grow in favor of the bulls itself. So knowing that we saw that crossover, initiating that sell opportunity, at the same time, the MACD indicator, it has a massive jump already on the first bar, on the first histogram itself. I don't know about you guys, but I am incredibly just shocked on how much Polkadot has dropped. But let's kind of take a look in the 4-hour time frame here, because if you guys seen this a couple of hours ago, let's take a look here on April 19th. So just yesterday, if you guys saw this candlestick, especially the next candlestick in correlation to it, this here, huge red flag. Okay, you guys. So here, whenever we see this cross candlestick, this is known as a doji candlestick. So even though we had a red candle with a green candle, looked promising. However, with a doji candlestick, especially when it's trying to correct on an upward side, is already a momentum loss candlestick. And the reason why I say that is because the body itself is in the middle. That middle signifies that, again, the bulls and the bears are trying to push each other to see who is going to be dominant. And normally after a doji candlestick, we rely heavily on the next candlestick itself. And this being a red candlestick was going to paint the entire picture. So we have, slight picture here with the doji candlestick going into that upwards correction, followed by the red candlestick. If I saw these two combined, I would instantly run, and we saw that significant drop. Here we may see it again with a doji candlestick, possibly. Again, guys, keep this in mind, the candlestick hasn't closed yet, but hypothetically, if we were to see this as a doji candlestick, same kind of scenario, we are headed in a downwards direction. If we see another red candle close after this doji candlestick, then that would give us a signified look here that it is going to favor the bears itself. If it does end in a green candlestick, do monitor the next candlestick. And plus, as a safety measure, if we do see the momentum of the MACD indicator switch from the red over to the green, it would give us a signal that the bulls are going to take charge and we might have a nice pullback on an upward side. Okay. Another safety measure here to see for the doji is if the volume increases. A lot of times when we see the price increase significantly, but the volume itself is decreasing, the volume and the uptrend are not supported. So we want to look for shorter trades, not longer trades. Okay. This is my opinion, you guys. This is based on historical data that I do personally on my tradings. I'm not a financial advisor, so anything that I do say in my videos, don't take it as financial advice, as I'm not a financial advisor. So I just wanted to add that. But significantly here, we are going to see dot coming down to that area of support. And where we're going to see some areas of support here quickly, I am going to take out is our volume profile, our fixed range. In fact, what we're going to do is we're just going to take from here all the way here, because essentially that's where the price is. And we're going to see that supply and demand zone. So here we have a D shape profile. Normally, whenever you pull out this volume profile, it comes in that yellow and that blue color. Don't pay attention to the colors itself. It's not really relevant. All we're taking a look at is how much volume did the dollar amounts get. So we can see here, this is the volume here that significantly had multiple trades, buyers and sellers, but we're focusing on the volume all the way up here at the 6.51 to the 6.15. Now, again, we can see that the price is moving away from the supply and demand. That gives us a signal that if we do close below the $6.15 multiple candlesticks, the price is going to move to the next section. And because this is a D-shaped candle, D-shaped profile, it just means that whenever the bulls are in charge, bam, price moves up very, very quickly. If the sellers move or the sellers take charge of the market, the price goes significantly down. And that's just only for this profile here. Essentially, when the price does move away from this profile or these clusters that we call it, we go into the next area of clusters. And we can already see these two candles or these two nodes here that are sticking out, and this is going to be the next area of support. Once I zoom in here, we can already see a few of our candlesticks coming down to this area of supply here. So dating back on March 27th and March 28th. So if again on the daily time frame, we do see that significant increase of that MACD indicator, of that momentum on the bearish side, then the next area that the price is going to come down to retest that area of support would be our next area of supply and demand, which is the $5.81 all the way up to $5.91. So we're going to treat this area here as the next supply, as the next area of support. So that is, I want to say quick video, but I do talk a lot here. I do apologize. Thanks so much for tolerating how much I actually talk. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you are still watching this, like, subscribe, comment down below to help with the YouTube algorithm in building my channel. Really appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.